Eat na, sige, eat na. Yummy, yummy. Ito, ikaw.
Ming, dami mo na wala.
Naubos na nga namin ito.
My God! May ano tatawag?
Malunggay chips.
Malunggay chips. Lord, first we need to pray. Lord, salamat pa sa pagkain, kanin-kanin, tubig, malunggay chips.
Amen.
Amen. These are my new favorite. My seaweed is still my favorite, but this is first and seaweed is second. Guys, hear that crunch?
Can you hear?
Hmm?
Can't you hear?
You hear this? May ASMR na. May ASMR na. Ha? ASMR? Nakukunin ng madaming views eh, yung mga ASMR.